Did you know Android 16 brings sticky note to Samsung Note? Now you can quickly jot down ideas, reminders, or comment right on your note, just like using real sticky note but smarter. Let's see how to do it. First, open Samsung Note and then open an existing note or create a new one. Tap the plus icon at the top and then select sticky note. A sticky note will appear on your note. You can write using your S Pen or the keyboard. To change the color, tap the three dots on the sticky note and choose one of four background colors. Yellow with tape clip, light green with pinner clip, pink with push pin, or light blue with paper clip. Tap the minimize icon to shrink the sticky note into a small icon. You can tap it to view the note again or drag it around to reposition. As a note, you can add multiple sticky notes to the same document. It's perfect for organizing your thoughts. And that's how you can add and use sticky note in Samsung Note on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's a fun, flexible way to annotate and organize your ideas without changing the original content. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.